I am so excited for today's video topic. Check it out. Because today we're talking about the chocolate chip cookies that come in the box. But if we're gonna do this upright, I think it only makes sense we do it with a glass of milk. Shoot. Well, I guess there's no use crying over this. How about instead we make today's video about spill kits. You'll often find spill kits in warehouses, production facilities, and many job sites. They're super useful to have and they're often required by OSHA. But what about all my lone wolves out there on the open road? Do you need a spill kit? That's right, I'm talking to my truckers out there. And the answer is yes. You also need spill kits on your rigs and maybe more than one. So if you identify as a freight shaker, suicide jockey, or flatbed cowboy, then it's always a good idea to have a spill kit on hand. Now you don't need to have one of those big 55-gallon drum kits, the ones that'll put you overweight on the scales. But oftentimes a simple 5-gallon bucket kit will do. Now I found this 5-gallon kit to be perfect for managing those small size spills that can occur in the trailer or in the back of the van. It can also be used in the event of emergency to help control larger spills and buy a little time for EMS to arrive. This kit includes everything that you're gonna need. We've got gloves, eye protection, a disposal bag, and more. So go ahead and pick one of these up next time you get the chance. Make a little bit of room in the back of your truck just in case you need it. I did spill milk all over this table for the sake of this video, so if nothing else, drop a like below, or better yet, because you found this content helpful. I'm Troy Mayers, the Power Pack, and until next time, stay safe.